New fishes. There they go. It's so amazing.
$1,019.
The water truck is here. 6,000 gallons of water. Look at this thing. You guys all ready for a new home? Whoa, the water's moving. It's already at the pond. I tried to race it. There's no race in this water. Up, down. What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing what we've all been waiting for. The pond is officially ready for fish by the time you're done watching this video. We got fresh water, a big old 6,000 gallon truck to deliver water, set up lights, and so much more in this video. Stay tuned. I need to send you over to Friday when I made the phone call to order water. Yeah, I literally ordered fresh water. And then from there, we get rolling.
Credit card or debit card for payment?
Credit card I will have ready for you.
Okay.
It's 405.
$1,019. No problem.
I appreciate it.
If you have any questions, just give us a call back.
Any specific time Monday that I should be looking for the truck?
Not at this time. We don't give specific times, but usually our driver, they'd like to call as when they're about an hour away.
Okay, cool. Thanks so much.
Coming from Orlando, so he'll usually call when he's about an hour away to give you a heads up.
Gotcha. All right, thanks so much for your help. Appreciate it.
No problem. Yes, sir.
Have a great day. Bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right, Caferos. Well, never thought I'd spend $1,000 on fresh water before. It's a new day for everything, I guess. My goodness. We got clear water, baby. Woohoo! See you Monday. Guess what's here? Holy blinding. The water is here. Holy moly. Heck yeah, you think the hose will reach, right? Thank goodness. Yo, you scared me, I'm not gonna lie. The water truck is here, 6,000 gallons of water. I'll go out there and show you in just a second. He pulled up and he scared the heck out of me. He said, "You ordered the chlorinated water for your fish pond, right?" And I was like, dude, no. I would dechlorinate it if, God forbid, that was the case, but my gosh, that scared me, I'm not gonna lie. This is the big step to transferring our monster fish into their forever home. And my goodness, this truck is massive. Look at this thing. That's crazy. So from the truck, just gotta connect a bunch of hoses. A whole lot of hoses. He said he's done aquariums, ponds, a bunch of different things in the past, so that's kind of cool. You guys all ready for a new home? Tell you what, it's coming way sooner than you think. And honestly, it couldn't come any faster because the weather is getting cold here. By cold, I mean like 60 degrees, but these fish should not be outside in that weather. So the sooner we get this done, the better. Obviously, the water will be in today, the filter will be flowing. We're gonna make our active carbon and our filter floss filter as extra filtration, and then these fish are good to go in. It's gonna require a lot of hose to get from there all the way to the building in the back over there. Imagine we fill this up and it's like just as bad as the well water. That'd be crazy. It's not, but that would be insane. If you guys didn't watch last video, you're probably looking at this right here like, what the heck? Yeah, that is what we did last video. Look at all that. Oh my God. Right? Yeah. 1:30 in the morning right now. You see how tired? You gotta go see that video. Look at this place right now. It looks insane. We built a deck around the pond and a dock. It's so amazing over here. It's ridiculous. We have some lights that we're gonna attach up underneath the dock in today's video, and they even change colors to whatever color we want. Leftover energy drinks all over the place from Hector. Hector, you're a lunatic, man. My goodness, that was quick. Oh my God, it's moving so quick. Oh, the water's moving. It's already at the pond. I tried to race it. There's no race in this water. It moves so fast. 1 second. I'm going. Oh. That's more like it. Clear water. While the water is filling up, we are high enough in the filter and over by the jet to turn this on. There we go. Get all this yellow water out of here. Let it mix in with this clear. I can tell you one thing, it looks, obviously I'm speaking nonsense, but it literally just the difference already, it looks incredible. 10 times more clear. It's crazy. Oh, this was like yellow by now. Crazy. I kind of just want to sit here and like film the water just going in. I mean, and that's all the shavings from cutting this wood right here. I'll get all that out with a little net later, but I mean, this looks awesome. You can kind of see what the plants are gonna do when the water is fully filled up. Unfortunately, that right there is definitely gonna float here in a second. I'm surprised it hasn't already, to be honest with you. I really wish I found a solution to keeping that down. Unfortunately, slate rock at the bottom would not be heavy enough. I threw 3 boulders on that thing and it still floated up. So the best bet is to just let it float around, soak up water, and sink on its own, and then I can place it where I want when it does. It's a big piece of driftwood. Hey, check out this water though. We're almost at the window. We are almost at the window. We're so close. And it's clear, baby. It is so clear. I'm so stoked right now. The driftwood is drifting. It's officially floating. My goodness, look how clear. Look at how clear that is. Is this real life? Is this actually happening? My goodness. The deck is done. The water's filling. We got a dock. This is real life. And while this pond is filling, we have gained 2 new subscribers. Both the people that showed up to deliver the water are now Caferos. So welcome to the family. They were blown away with the stuff here, and I showed them around the farm, and it's just so cool to see people's reactions on all the hard work that we put in. This is just insane. Let me ask you a question. You see the difference in clarity? Yeah. What do you think, bro?
Insane, dude. Insane. You are so crazy, bro.
David, what do you think?
Killer.
Next level, baby. We're gonna have space for a lot more new fish. Be ready. What, you got me something? Oh, sweet.
Birthday.
A little birthday gift, huh? Let's see what we got.
Dude, this is crazy in here, bro.
Oh, yo. Snap. He snapped. Thank you.
Of course,
That's sick. We got little Oscars, bro. Little Oscars. It's my boy Gio. Shout out to Gio.
Everybody.
I'll have his channel linked down below. He just surprised me with 2 beautiful Oscars. We're gonna go acclimate.
Had to surprise the birthday boy.
Dude, cichlid pond. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
The cichlid pond, they're going right in. They'll get along with the cichlids. This is awesome. We'll put them in. I'll show you guys a little better of a view. They are actually very pretty. 1 albino and 1 tiger. When we get them out of here and put them into here. So I just got a bunch of moss on Amazon. It's fake moss, but we're gonna glue it. One second, I gotta make the purchase. So we're gonna glue this moss around the Amazon corner. This is the Amazon corner. I got like 40 ounces of moss. That's pounds of moss. I wanna put a little bit of it like right here on this tank. On this corner, we're gonna build a chameleon cage right here because Gio breeds these things.
Let's talk chameleons.
Literally breeds chameleons. So we plan to do a dope enclosure for chameleons right here. I know Amazon chameleons, not exactly like, but you get my point of the whole theme. There's gonna be the tree in this corner here. The stairs will be done. All moss on the dock. Moss around these windows. Like just a little bit though, not too much. Don't overdo it. We're gonna make it epic.
It's going to
what
be
kind of
epic.
chameleons do you think we're gonna put in here?
I'm gonna be gifting Paul an Ambelobe Panther Chameleon. I know I told you guys in my video with the Mata Mata turtle that it was gonna be an Ambanja, but I actually switched it up. I'm gonna give him more of a rainbow look instead of the all blue look, and I think it's gonna do perfect in here. It's going to be epic, you guys.
We're gonna actually make videos building the enclosure, of course, as well. So I think I'll do 1 video building and receiving the chameleons, and I'll see how it performs on the channel. I've never actually owned a chameleon. Thankfully, Gio's a great friend of mine, so if I ever have any questions, Gio's right around the corner, but it's gonna be awesome. Like literally to have a chameleon here, the dock with moss, and look how clear the water is, my goodness. It's looking good, we're looking pretty solid. This is awesome. And then of course, there's 2 more projects to go down over here. We have the junk corner right now, but there's gonna be a nice pond, kind of like that, but made out of concrete. And then over here is the turtle corner, which we're also gonna be building a deck for, and probably painting the deck black and doing some stuff like that. I feel like I've been talking all video, but this is just so much to inform you guys on. There's a lot to be said. It's so clear.
I think you guys are ready for this.
I know,
I'm
like
not.
the fish transfer is gonna be nuts, and it's just in time because the weather is getting cold. Check these out. These are the new Oscars. They're very small. They're super pretty. Look at that.
The pattern on that one is
Right?
crazy.
The pattern on that tiger is insane. That albino's pretty too. Let's put them on in.
Let's go.
We got new fish along with new water. New fishes. There they go. Off they go, and they're gonna be so personable in here. Is that a word? I don't know, maybe, but they're gonna absolutely love food. They're gonna come up like little humans. There he is down there with the cichlids. The other one's right there. That's sick. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. The water's full. It's full. I even overflowed it. I filled it a little higher than I normally would, just to get a little more water. Look at that. I know. You ready to swim? Now, from the side, that's clear water. You could see the window in the back. Flashback to when the water was yellow, and now flashback to now, and that right there is just so beautiful. That's better. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Wow. This is exactly why I wanted to paint those windows black. Now you can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's gonna make your eyes reflect back when the fish are in here. It's flowing and everything's circling into the middle, so we'll have to get a little jet that pushes it off, so this would constantly be filtered. I can't wait to put fish. You guys wanna let's put fish in right now? I'm just kidding. That'd be super cool though. I can't wait. It's time. We're installing our well, these aren't gonna be underwater. They're actually gonna be above water, but they'll be glistening down into the pond, whether it's daytime or even nighttime. Nighttime is gonna look awesome. Pop these little suction cups off. It's a little trick. And now the screws will actually sit like that and hold it up into the deck here. So I'm gonna put one over here and one over there, and then we'll turn the lights off in here and turn them off. The back of the drill just went in the water. That looks so sick though. See, now that I have one in, I can kind of turn it the way I actually want to keep it. Up, down, you can rotate it. That is so sick. Now I gotta do the same thing with another light over here. Lights are installed. I do need to hide the wire a little bit, tuck the wire. But for the most part, we got lights now. I need to get little clamps to hide all the wires, but for now, I'm coming down, Mia, don't worry. She's like, how the heck do I get up there? Let me tell you, when the stairs get done, Mia is gonna love going up on the dock. She might even jump, no, I won't let her jump in, but she probably would if I let her. Let me go plug these lights in so we can get things started. Ready? I'll try to block as much as I can, but pretend it's nighttime. Ready? Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. At night it'll be even darker because there's some light coming in from the windows. Ready? It gets a lot brighter. Here we go. That's what we're gonna keep it on. The higher setting. And then when it becomes nighttime, these will just light up this entire pond. Like the entire pond will be lit up from these two lights. And then I could even make it Amazon theme. Watch this. Bam, red. That at night with an arapaima swimming through it. Come on now, doing it different. Thank you so much for watching. Lights are installed. Next we have to install our custom garbage can filter that will have filter floss and active carbon in it. Just help with the filtration. And then we gotta add some bacteria from the other pond into here because this water is just, right now it's just dead water. It's like RO. We need some bacteria, we need some things flowing, and then the next couple of days we will get our fish in. So stay tuned, stick along, subscribe, smash the like button, and guess what? We'll see you right here in the next one. Peace!